everybody, how are you? I'm back. Did you think I was ever going to come back? I have a haul and it's from Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree. So let's do Dollar Tree first. I got some of these little shot glasses and these are perfect for little fake bakes. Perfect for that. And the watermelon I think is so cute. Isn't that cute? And look, these are like little gems. Aren't those so cute? On both sides. I only got one just, you know, to put with decorating on a tiered tray or whatever, but I thought that was adorable. They also had their watermelon napkins, and what I want to do with this is cover a frame. I have a picture of my granddaughter. She was tiny. She couldn't have been more than 2. And she's eating watermelon, and this is going to make an adorable frame for that picture. They also had these ice cream bowls, and they have the little spoons. This would be perfect for a fake bake. Absolutely adorable. You could do so much with this. And I think they had these in turquoise, green, pink. I can't remember if they had other colors, but anyway, I like the lime green with the watermelon. I think it goes really good. So that's what I got there. Plus, these are some more cups, and these are cardboard, but these would make really cute fake bake cups as well. And then they had this candlestick, and I love getting candlesticks from the Dollar Tree because you can paint these, and this would be perfect to check. Perfect, because it's just flush. There's not a ridge. So when I got it, I thought I should have got another one, and I didn't, but I will go back and get another one. So I thought that was really cute. And you know, I always get batteries from Dollar Tree. Okay, so now on to Hobby Lobby. So I got a new patio set, and I wanted to get some plates and placemats for outside. So if we wanted to eat out there, we could. And they had a couple placemats, but they didn't have much to go with the placemats, except for this particular one. So I went ahead and got it because it does. It looks like summer to me. And it's just the, kind of like a tie-dyed. And they were $1.99, and all of this, what I'm showing you now from Hobby Lobby, is 40% off. So I got 4 of those. Easy to wipe off. I also got these bowls, and these are just the plastic bowls, but they're so cute. And these were $13.99, 40% off. So I thought that was cute. Along with the eating utensils, so these you can just wash, and these were $4.99, 40% off that, and it goes, they all go together. Also, some of these popsicle holders, and this is nice so when they drip they don't get on the ground, and they also have a straw with it. These were $5.99, 40% off. And I bought a couple tips, and I don't know where my 1M is, but I got this pedal tip so I could make some little seeds for some fake bakes that I'm going to be doing for the summer. And my 1M tip, that's the tip I use for my frostings. And I don't know where it is, but anyway, we'll find it. Then I got these bags, and I always get the 16-inch because the 12-inch to me, it's a waste. These hold a lot more, and you can use either tip, the small or the large, on these. And I always get these when these are on sale, okay? I also got the plates that go with the bowls and the utensils. And these are all the same colors. Then I got some more plastic cake boards, and I just want to put these on top of the cakes that I make, so you can change the tops of the cake, you know, whether it be for Valentine's or Christmas. Then you don't have to do the whole cake. A lot better when you're trying to store things. I also got this. I thought it was so pretty, and it's for your iced tea or whatever you want to make in the summer. And it has it's got a gold lid and a gold spout. Isn't that pretty? But I thought the butterflies and everything that I bought went so perfect with this. Don't you think? I think it's pretty. So I got those to go all together, and I think it matches very well. Then I got some of this epoxy. It was a clearance. And I do have everything to make these. I haven't done it yet. When I do, I'll bring you with me. But the resin I got will be for fake bakes. But I got it because it's a good price. $30, half off, $14.99. And the last thing I wanted to show you, when you're making our tea, this is the tea I love in the summer, the iced passion. Love it. And you get this at Walmart, you get it at any grocery store, but this is the one that I like. It's concentrated, and you just add water. It says, plunge into a refreshing paradise of hibiscus, orange peel, rosehip, and passion fruit flavors. This is, other than regular tea, this is my favorite. So guys, that's it. That is my haul. Get ready. I'm going to be doing some cute fake bakes for summer. And until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.